Ready to transform your WordPress site into a sales-generating machine with powerful email automation? Let's dive into connecting Klaviyo. First things first, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and head over to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Klaviyo and look for the official Klaviyo plugin. Once you've found it, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button. Go ahead and click that to enable Klaviyo on your site. Now, a new Klaviyo menu option will appear in your WordPress sidebar. Click on it. This will take you to the Klaviyo setup screen. Here, you'll need to connect your existing Klaviyo account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free through the prompt you see here. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between your WordPress site and your Klaviyo account. This usually involves a simple approval step. Once connected, you'll land on the Klaviyo settings page within WordPress. Take a moment to review the general settings here. You can ensure basic synchronization is enabled. Now, let's explore the Integrations tab. This is where the magic happens for synchronizing your customer data. Make sure that key data points like customer profiles, purchase history, and form submissions are set to synchronize. This allows Klaviyo to build rich customer profiles. You can also choose to embed Klaviyo sign-up forms and pop-ups directly onto your WordPress site. Look for the option to enable this feature. After configuring your settings, the plugin will begin synchronizing data. You can often see the status of this synchronization within the Klaviyo plugin area of your WordPress dashboard. With your data flowing, you can now dive into Klaviyo to create personalized email campaigns using this rich customer information, driving targeted communication and boosting your sales.